It's double the Ohana Beach box. So if you want to see what's in these boxes and if they're both the same, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have these two boxes from the Lani Makana Ohana Beach box. Used to be Jewelry Club. Anyway, now it's the Ohana Beach Club, or Beach box, sorry. Now it's the Ohana Beach box, and they're both the same size, so I was a little confused and just opened them up to see. Well, I guess they're a little bit different. No, they look about the same. Yeah. So I did open them up just to take a sneak peek. They are different. So this is the September box, and I don't know, I know I definitely didn't get this. I must have gotten maybe the October box I'm thinking about, and this must have somehow been missed. I'm not really sure, but there are 5 items in here, and there's at least one piece of jewelry. I like to do that last because the person who puts together this box does create or design the jewelry. We have this cute sticker. We have these adorable little foam things that you put in your cup holders so that no condensation gets in there. Now, you can use these in your car, but you also, if you have one of those couches that have the little cup holders, you can put them in there as well. So, just a little pro tip for you. Put those in there. We have an Old Town Soap Company Room and Linen Mist Spray in the scent Beaches. This looks like a small, maybe Etsy type company. OldTownSoapCo.com is their website address. So, I mean, they may just be a small brand. I don't know that they're an Etsy brand, but it looks like that sort of, which I love getting things from small brands like Forever Shine. You put something in here by Forever Shine, I'll be so happy. Oh, that smells really nice. It smells like the beach, but it smells kind of like the suntan lotion beach, not necessarily which isn't a bad scent, don't get me wrong, but there's the beach scent where it smells like the ocean and salt, and then there's the beach scent where it smells like suntan lotion, and that's more of that type. We have, it looks like a palette, yes, a palette. This is by Italia Deluxe, and it looks like an eye and face because it has a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter in there. It does look like it's a neutral palette. This is their Beach Babe with Love from Santa Monica, and this is a cruelty-free company. There is a little thing on the back. These are those nails that I got in my advent calendar from FabFitFun. I don't prefer this type as much as I don't prefer the rounded as much as I prefer some of the other types, but they are nice. They're very nice, and I've had them on, oh gosh, I put them on the day before Christmas, and I'm filming on January 3rd, so they have lasted at least a week, except for one. One did pop off. That was the first day. I am very rough on my hands, and I've been home like reorganizing my house because my big goal for 2024 is to get things organized. I'm an organizer. My husband and my daughter are not. So I have been working hard to get things organized. I'd like to sell our house and move a little bit closer to my mom and get something big enough for her to move into with my stepdad, and be closer to the high school that I think my daughter is going to. So we're just kind of trying to get everything organized and fixed up and things like that. And I have kept all the rest of them on except for the thumb. My thumbnail really is long enough that if I painted it and did the ends, it would probably look just like it. Just like the nails themselves. All right, so there is no mirror, but it is absolutely lovely. Look at those gorgeous neutrals. And again, you have your bronzer, your blush, there's a thing over here, and your highlighter, and then some great colors, including some real nice shimmers here and here. So that is absolutely lovely. All right, we have a little bag here, and it's a little frame that says Beach Days. It's by Claremont & Co. And it's got like a little stick in back so you can sit it down. And I mean, obviously my hand is not the best place to be sitting it down, but you could sit it down on a table. Might have to take one of my Hawaii pictures and put it in there for my daughter and then gift that to her. And the jewelry. I used to get 2 pieces of jewelry all the time. They're going down to 1. I don't know if I like that, but this is a good box. Like if all the boxes were like that, I'd be like, all right, that's all right then. And oh, these are absolutely lovely. I'm going to put these right on. And how pretty. They remind me, except for the shell, they remind me of the Marilyn Schiff earrings that are so popular that I have like 2 pairs of. All right, so there's that earring. I love these kind of earrings. I can't wear them to work, but on my days off, if I remember to put on jewelry, I do. I don't always though, because a lot of times I'm just at home. It goes nicely with my bracelets too. Got these from Wannable, so they kind of go nicely with those. And then the little card, which you can put in a frame if you want, or if you have like those little paperclip frames, they're really cute. All right, so that was a really good box. All right, this is the November-December. The theme is Blue Christmas. Some little chocolates here, and these are, I believe these are the dark chocolates, which are my favorite, and Chloe's, although Chloe likes chocolate as dark as it can get. We were at the Lindt store, made 100%. She ate that, she loved it. We have this Himalayan Blue Poppy Bath Bomb by Infusia, and this is really pretty. Let's take a look at this. So you've got blues and golds in there, so pretty. Can't really smell it too much with the packaging. We have some note cards. So these here look, I mean, these you could almost do any time, but I think they're supposed to be Christmas cards. And then the envelopes to go with it. And these are part of the Lani Makana line. And then we have this gorgeous, gorgeous scarf. Look at this. Very, very pretty. And the earrings are this Christmas tree set, and aren't those pretty? Usually they come on the card, but they seem to have fallen out. So there is another look at them, but with a nice white background. I love those little stars that they're hanging from. So I did receive these after Christmas, both boxes. Because I'm at my mom's house and I was here. I think these came in the week after Christmas. So Christmas will come again next year. Just love that little card. All right, so those are my 2 Lani Makana boxes, and I think they were both really good. And I think even though there's only one piece of jewelry, I still think they were pretty good. So super excited about what's in here. Really like this scarf. Really like the earrings. The scarf matches these earrings perfectly. And you get the blue and the tan. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item? Which pair of earrings were your favorite? And make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, because you never know when I'm going to sneak in a giveaway. And when you are subscribing, please make sure that you are publicly subscribed. The only way that I can know that you're subscribed is if your subscriptions are public. And if you're not sure how to do that, there are a lot of videos out there. Mary Catherine Loves Cats has one, and we even included it in, I think, I think our winter Dollar Tree collab. We try to include those in there for folks who weren't sure. But you can definitely find it in one of our Dollar Tree collabs, either the winter one or the fall one. I'm not really sure. But anyway, if you're not sure, do check those out. Or check out Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I believe she has it as part of her videos in her whole line of videos. All right, well, thank you so much. And hopefully I'll see you soon.